Day number 2 for how to accelerate your growth on LinkedIn if you're a coach, a consultant, or a professional service entrepreneur. Yesterday, I said you need to engineer your strategy. That was the first E in my expert method. The second E today is expert positioning. People have to be able to see who you are for, what you do, what problem you solve, and how you help them. You need to establish expert positioning on LinkedIn if you want to get traction. This is the foundation for everything that you will do on LinkedIn. And if you don't have the right pieces in place, you will miss out on clients, you'll miss out on opportunities, you'll miss out on partnerships. The list goes on and on. So get that expert positioning in place. And this means optimizing that profile in a way that you attract and influence exactly the people that you want to attract and influence to your business. If you need help doing this, book a call with me at acarden.com and I'll help you and show you how I take people through my expert accelerator for LinkedIn. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.